close your eyes and let your physical self sink deeply into where you are sitting or lying. As your breath begins to find its natural rhythm, remind yourself that this moment requires nothing from you. There is no goal to reach, no task to complete. You are granting yourself the rare gift of simply existing. Just this breath, notice the transition from doing to observing. You are the quiet witness to the second. Feel the cool air enter and the warm air depart. A continuous cycle of life. You aren't forcing the breath. It is a gift being given to you. Over and over again, follow the wave of each inhale as it ripples through your chest and belly. When a thought drifts into your mind, see it as a leaf floating down a slow-moving river. It appears, it drifts, it fades. Don't try to stop the river, just sit on the bank and watch it flow by. If your body feels restless, let that feeling have its space. You are the vast container for the restlessness, not the agitation itself. You are more than your mental chatter. You are more than the emotions passing through you. You are the silent awareness that notices them all. As you settle into this deeper realization, you become the backdrop. You hear the distant sounds and feel the weight of your limbs. You see the mind trying to stay busy, but because you can see it, you know it isn't you. The observer cannot be the object. You are the stillness behind the movement. You are the steady screen upon which the movie of your life is playing. Continuing with the breath, sink even further into the center of your own consciousness. Ask yourself, beneath my titles, my career, and my roles in the lives of others, what part of me has never changed? Set aside your name, set aside your past mistakes and triumphs, strip away your labels, your age, and your physical form. What remains when there is nothing left to define? Rest in this wordless space. In this hollowed out silence, you find a peace that was never missing. It was only hidden. You don't have to build this peace. You don't have to earn it or practice it. It is the fundamental fabric of who you are. This is your I am. Before it gets tangled in, I am stressed or I am busy, dwell in this pure existence. It is the source of all real contentment. If the ego tries to pull you back into the noise, gently ask, who is listening to these thoughts? They arise in me, but who am I? Don't look for a logical answer or a definition. Simply feel the aliveness of your own presence. It is infinite. It is quiet. It is absolutely free. You aren't a person trying to find a spiritual path. You are the infinite spirit momentarily experiencing what it's like to be a person. Soften into this vibrant, living emptiness. Feel the immense relief in knowing you have nothing to carry right now. The world will keep turning. And the mind will keep thinking. But you are the mountain, and the thoughts are just the weather. You are secure. You are complete. You are home. As you begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings, take this sanctuary with you. It is not a place you leave, it is a state you carry. Remember, when life feels overwhelming, this doorway to the formless is always open. It is always right here, waiting for you to simply return home to yourself. Gently, when you're ready, open your eyes and move forward from this center of peace.